Hush, hush, hush behind the story of success, Elon Musk. Introduction Elon Musk, though less well known than his cousin Elon Musk, is a rising figure in the tech and entrepreneurial world. While Elon Musk's ventures often grab headlines, Elon Musk has carved out a significant niche of his own. Born into a family that values innovation and determination, Elo's journey from a curious child to a successful entrepreneur is both inspiring and instructive. Early life and education Elon Musk was born in the late 1980s into a family with a history of entrepreneurial spirit. His parents, who were successful engineers, instilled in him a passion for technology and problem solving from a young age. Elo's fascination with computers began in his early teens when he dismantled and reassembled old machines to understand their inner workings. Elo pursued his education with a focus on engineering and computer science. He attended a prestigious university, where he excelled in his studies. His academic achievements were complemented by his involvement in various student-led tech projects and startups, which gave him hands-on experience and a deeper understanding of the tech landscape. Early career and challenges After graduating, Elon Musk joined a leading tech company, where he quickly made a name for himself as a talented software engineer. His work on innovative projects caught the attention of senior management, leading to a series of promotions and increasing responsibilities. However, despite his success, Elon was not content with just working for someone else. He wanted to create something of his own. In his mid-20s, Elon took a bold step by leaving his secure job to pursue his entrepreneurial dreams. He faced numerous challenges, including financial constraints and the inherent risks of starting a new business. Despite these hurdles, Elon's unwavering determination and innovative mindset drove him forward. The birth of a vision Elon Musk's breakthrough came when he co-founded a tech startup focused on developing cutting-edge artificial intelligence solutions. The idea was to create AI tools that could improve various industries, from healthcare to finance. Elon's vision was clear: harness the power of AI to solve complex problems and make a positive impact on the world. In the early stages, the startup faced several obstacles, including intense competition and technical difficulties. However, Elon's leadership and the team's collective expertise enabled them to overcome these challenges. Their persistence paid off when they secured significant investment from venture capitalists who believed in their vision. Growth and expansion With newfound resources, Elon Musk's startup rapidly expanded. The company developed a series of innovative AI products that gained widespread recognition. Their flagship product, an AI-powered diagnostic tool for healthcare, revolutionized patient care by providing faster and more accurate diagnoses. This success established the company as a leader in the AI industry. Elon's approach to leadership was integral to the company's growth. He emphasized a culture of collaboration and continuous learning, encouraging his team to explore new ideas and push boundaries. This not only fostered innovation but also attracted top talent to the company. Philanthropy and impact As the company grew, Elon Musk remained committed to using his success for the greater good. He established a philanthropic arm focused on using technology to address global challenges such as climate change and inequality. His initiatives included funding research on sustainable energy solutions and supporting educational programs in underserved communities. Elon's philanthropic efforts were not merely about financial contributions. he actively engaged in projects and advocated for policies that promoted technological advancements for social good. His commitment to making a difference further solidified his reputation as a forward-thinking leader. Challenges and lessons learned.